I am up on a spooky place, well, for most people, and I guess for me too. I am up on my roof because I have got a chimney. There's it. See the crack along there? Well, I've sealed up that. Now I'm going to take some Thompson's water seal and seal up that cap. I've got a couple little cracks on there, but as winter comes up, the moisture's gonna get down in there, it'll freeze and further bust it. And then the other part is, Easton Roofing came over and looked at my roof just to make sure everything was all right, and he noticed that I had some gapping there. So I have sealed that up. I was up here doing that and then realized the top of my chimney was bad. So if you're thinking to yourself, well, my house is pretty much ready for winter, might want to get up top, take a look at it, make sure your gutters are cleaned out, and if you can actually see your chimney at the top of it, see if it's cracked, and if it is, a little bit of Thompson's water seal is going to go a long way. And sometimes you're going to see some brick at the top of your, I don't have any reference because mine isn't doing it, but you'll see the bricks are starting to deteriorate. That's called spalling, and that's where the sealing of the brick has gone bad and moisture's gotten into it, and as it freezes and thaws, it continues to bust up those bricks. And so that is a process at some point in time has to get corrected, but you can stop or at least slow it down significantly by sealing it up with some of this Thompson's water seal. Anyway, guys, I hope you're having a fantastic Sunday. Bye, guys.